Section 11 of Birds, Volume 2, Number 4, October 1897. Recorded for LibriVox by Linda Marie Nielsen. The Sapsucker. My dear young friends, during the long summer days, when you were enjoying golden vacation hours, I often took a peep at you from some dead tree limb or the side of a hemlock or beech. You saw me, perhaps, and were surprised at my courage, for other small birds whose voices you heard, but whose tiny bodies escaped your young eyes, appeared very timid in comparison. But I am not so brave, after all, and know full well when my red hat is in danger. I am a good flyer, too, and can soon put a wide space between myself and certain wicked boys, who, I hope, by next vacation time will have learned so much about us that they will love every little feathered creature and not seek to do them any harm. Can you guess why I have such a queer name? I really ought to be popular in Illinois, for they tell me it is called the Sucker State, and that the people are proud of it. Well, I am called Sapsucker because much, if not most, of my food consists of the secret juices which flow through the entire body of the tree, which you probably saw me running up and down and around. But you saw me, you say, very often on dead branches of trees, and surely they had no sap in them. No, but if you will look closely into my actions, you will see that I destroy many insects which drill their way into the wood and deposit their eggs. In my opinion, I do far more good than harm, though you will find some people who think otherwise. Then again, if there is utility in beauty, surely I am a benefit to every one. One day I heard a lady say that she never saw my head pop up from behind an old stump without bursting into laughter. I looked so funny. Now I took that as a compliment, for to give pleasure to those around us, I have heard, is one of our highest duties. Next summer, when you seek the pleasant places where I dwell, in the old deadening where the trees wear girdles around them, in the open groves where I flit from tree to tree, in the deep wooded districts whence one hears the tinkling ripple of running waters, you may, if good and gentle, see pop up behind a stump the red hat of Sapsucker. End of section 11. This recording is in the public domain.